Okay, so this is the GoPro 7 Silver. This is absolutely going to be a massive upgrade to the channel. Thank you for subscribing, by the way, if you're one of the subscribers. There's now about 389 of you, so yeah, I thought I could justify, you know, getting an actual decent camera. I've tried a few of the little Chinese action cameras in the past, and well, some of them, well, Paul, Mum's boyfriend, got a really good one. It was actually really good, genuine 4K, 2 batteries, and it worked really well. I've not been able to find the same one. I found it branded the same, but it's not the same. It's like a knockoff of a knockoff. So after messing around with cheap junk, you end up buying the real deal. You buy cheap, you buy twice, as they say. And used GoPros are not exactly a good option, because they're like 70, 80, and you don't know what kind of use it's had, and it's like 5 years old. So I thought, I'll just go get a GoPro 7 in silver model. It doesn't quite have some of the features the high-end one does, but it's mid-range, it's pretty reasonable. And yeah, for the price I paid for it, absolutely fantastic. Work out how you open this box now. It shouldn't be that hard. Something I can do one-handed? No, it probably isn't. Hang on. Oh, I've ripped it now. Surely it just... Yeah, you've got to undo the back here, look. Tear, easy tear. Should have seen that. I should be able to get into the bottom of it. Oh dear. It's not the most satisfying unboxing now. Sorry about that. That's, yeah. There we go. Comes out like that. And it's actually like bolted. It's bolted to the box, just like you would have it on your handlebars or your push bike. Yeah, seriously. Cool. What kind of accessories do we get? Not many, I don't think. All the cheap Chinese cameras, you get a load of accessories because the camera is basically a potato. This you don't get any because the camera isn't a potato. That seems to be a thing. Oh, you get a couple of mounts, like GoPro mounts. Okay. You get cable. USB-C. Okay, that's the only USB-C cable I have. And there's another one right there. And there's the GoPro itself, which... Right. No. I might as well unbolt it, I guess. Yeah, because it's just simply... Well, it's quite heavy compared to what I was expecting. It's got a bit of weight to it compared to your cheap. That's just a display picture at the back I've got to take off. Well, I've already got the lens dirty, but typical. There's a really weird smell to it. Not the camera. Yeah, the box smells like a certain fancy type of tobacco certain people smoke. Very strange. Yeah, that concludes this video of unboxing the GoPro 7 Silver. Fantastic. See you later.